Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. In today's vehicle video, I've got a brand new 2021 Toyota Venza XLE edition. Let's get started. Okay, let's start out with the headlights in terms of the parking lights or the daytime running lights. As you can see on the Venza, the headlight profile is super low, and these are LED daytime running lights all the way along here. So I love what Toyota calls a J-curve headlight, or I like to think of them as reverse hockey sticks. So those look really awesome on here. Also along the edge or the side, you'll see that there is an LED marker lamp right here on the side of the Venza as well. So let's go ahead and jump inside, and we'll turn on the turn signals and the driving lights and work our way through the high beams as well. So we'll go ahead and just start the engine here. And then we'll switch on our headlights. So these are our standard headlights for normal driving at night. And the next switch we'll head toward is the high beams. So these are the high beams. Again, these are all LED, a full complement of LED lights on the Venza. And the driving lights and the high beams, those are projector style LED headlights underneath there with these really great crystal clear high impact lenses on here as well. And then let me just go ahead and turn on the four ways or the hazards there. And those two are an LED light, but you can see Toyota actually utilizes the same LED lights as we're using for the daytime running lights. You can see they flash between amber and white, amber and white. Hard to miss that. Now the XLE Venza does not come standard with fog lights. There's a spot down on the lower bumper here where they can be installed at the dealer level, but generally they're not going to be part of the package. The other feature is the turn signals positioned here in the mirrors. So I'll kind of move around so you can see those as well. So well lit and definitely a brighter style. You can also see the side of the Venza, the tail light there as well, reflecting off the window. Let's go ahead and just pull this one ahead so you can see the tail lights. Okay, so this is the back of the Venza before we turn on any lights. I'm just going to go ahead and tap my brake pedal so that you can see that illumination of the brake lights across there. Notice the upper spoiler has a third brake light that's a full LED strip, and it spans the entire width of the spoiler. So really very visible in the back there. Go ahead and turn on the parking lights. So this is what lights up when you do have just the parking lights on. And then go ahead and turn on the headlights. Really don't see much of a difference there, other than obviously now the headlights are on, lighting up the wall in front of the vehicle. But you can see this entire area is an LED strip. And then we have, once again, a license plate light down under here. On the Venza, it's one light bulb, but they are LED lights under here as well. I'm sorry, there are two, but they're so close together they really appear as one light bulb under the bumper. I did want to show you, before I turn on the reverse lights, notice the amber flashers down there in the bumper as well. But it's got a nicely lit cargo area, and there's an LED light here on the passenger side. And again, you get that that warning notification down here on the turn signals on the bumper. Let me go ahead and I'll turn on the flashers so that you can see the amber turn signals down on the lower bumper. And then finally, I'm just going to go ahead and slide inside and put it in reverse. Again, there's your brake lights. And then you'll notice when I go to reverse, we automatically get the backup lights, which again are down on the lower bumper in the same place as the hazard lights down there on the bottom. But it is a complete LED light package on the front of the vehicle, as well as encompassing the entire back of the vehicle.